Everybody, here we have an Acer model N15Q9 Chromebook that was manufactured in year 2016. It was brought in for service because apparently it isn't working. Now what's real interesting is the client decided to go ahead and open it up to have a look for himself, which, depending on your tech knowledge, may not be the best idea. But he included the screws, he included the machine. So I figured I'd take this opportunity to show you just how bare the inside of these Chromebooks can be. I mean, I was kind of shocked, and I tell you what's kind of funny is probably the reaction some people may get when they pull the cover off this and see, you know, something like this not really being serviceable. So apparently it's not powering up, or it's not posting, or something of that nature. But yeah, I want you to see the inside of this thing. There's really not much of anything there. It is bare. Bare as can be. So inside you have a small little daughter board that has a card reader and USB port. And right here, that right there, my friends, is the motherboard. That's all there is to it. That's the motherboard. This thing does not have any user serviceable memory or anything like that. The storage is on board, the memory is on board, you name it. It's I mean, there's a Wi-Fi card there. There's a small CPU fan, which this thing just has like a giant heatsink. I think this right here is the actual CPU. So it is cooled similar to that of like the older Acer Spiral 1 netbooks. You just had this giant metal plate that air blows across. Probably not the best means of heat transfer, but it is what they have. This right here is the LiPo battery. Of course, the battery, like most laptops these days, is inside the machine, and instead of being a lithium-ion pack with 18650s, it's a LiPo pack with the individual LiPo cells. You have a speaker right here, and a speaker over here. So yeah, again, not much to it. And before I wrap this up, let me go ahead and just set this cover back on and try to start it up and see what it does, see what the issue is. Now, if the battery's dead, I'll have to use my universal charger on it because I didn't pack the charger in with it. But yeah, that's practically what you get with Chromebooks. In case you've ever wondered what is inside one, it's really bare. Like a lot of laptops these days. Give me just a second here and get this back on. Just go ahead and snap it in place for the time being. Yeah, it's got an Intel processor, probably the cheapest Celeron you can find, and look, it does actually post. It does start up. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't understand this. It's just, yeah. Well, I guess at the least, out of this, you guys got to see inside of the Chromebook. Not really much too special to see. The reason why I'm moving the camera off screen is because it has their sign-in information there. This thing apparently seems to work just fine. It just started right up. Yeah, I don't understand that. Maybe the battery's dead. Who knows? Really, I mean, to be honest, who knows? So, hope you guys enjoyed the video for what it is. Thanks for watching. Well, guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.